This. Do you know, as you scroll your phone on a daily basis, as you handle and move with that phone, millions of individuals are making money out of this smartphone in different ways. And for my case, I've been making money with YouTube. Today, as I record this video, I've made a good amount of dollars out of YouTube for the last 4 years. So I'm coming today to give you a highlight, to give you a guidance on how to use your smartphone and make some good dollars on a daily basis. These dollars, I'm not saying that it's going to replace your 9 to 12 hour job. I'm not saying that it is going to, from a brew, in a trick of an eye, you'll start replacing your old mansions, and you start driving limousines, you drive a car of your dream. No, this is a step-by-step foundation. It's like any other business. So we are talking about social media entrepreneurship. Us making 4 years today, it means a lot for us, and I felt like, let me come and share with you social media entrepreneurs I want you to reach here. So we are going to be talking about how we have made money out of YouTube in these 4 years. Can you do it also? Who is eligible to do it? What are the things for you to do? What are the expected challenges? And what is your future look, or how does your future look like? But this is a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. So if you're watching Immaculate Show right now, we love you so much. Get to know that what we give you here is educational purposes or entertainment. You categorize it in the way you want to categorize it. We give you 10% of what has worked for us, what has worked for me, and what is working for some individuals around us, and even the testimonies we have been hearing. So 10% is given to you. 90% you sit down and relax and look for them. So before I begin, congratulations to Immaculate Show team. Thank you for making 4 years. To our pioneers who still stand with Immaculate Show, we love you so much. And to fans, people who have been following, because we are there because you are there. God bless you all. Our next move will be unveiled very soon. So, and to the engagers, you deserve something. Please, if you've been with Immaculate Show for 2 years right now, please write it in the comment section. Our administrators will be in touch with you. So let's dive in and see exactly how do we make money out of YouTube. What we do, and I want you to use it also, we use smartphones. That is the basic requirement that you need. A smartphone, an idea. After an idea, you need to know where do you want to start from and how do you start. These are the things. So for us, we've been using our smartphones to shoot, to edit, to even upload. And if you see the people you admire right now, most of them have cameras after growing, but they end up not using cameras because most of our smartphones that we have, they have almost everything that a camera wants. And with the growth that has happened with YouTube, people want to always, they want to be uploading, premiering, and it becomes more easier for someone to try to premiere video when he's moving, to go live when he's moving. When you're driving, it's easier. So that's why I'm saying you have the gadget in your hands right now. There is no any excuse. So we have used the gadget. We have used the smartphone. Then the second segment of this video is about how have we made money out of this. We have made money on YouTube in different ways. We have made it in long-term videos. We have made it in shorts. We have made it in live, and at the same time we have made it in membership. So I'm going to start with long-term videos. Every day we post 2 videos. We did not start with 2 videos. We started with maybe 1 video in a week. Yeah, it was 1 video in a week. Then later we started like 2 videos to 3 videos in a week. Now we came to feel it. Let's go for 3 videos or 2 videos in a day. Now, before you do the premiere, we conceived this idea of making money online. For you, you might have an idea, a different idea, like maybe you want to teach people on how to cook. Every idea you have can give you money. But the things I'll be listing for you later, they matter a lot. Because you might be having an idea, but how do you handle that idea? How do you present the idea? And when? Those how, when, and what matters a lot. So when we are talking about why, when they matter, we mean consistency matters a lot. Because I conceived the idea of making money online. It wasn't the beginning, it wasn't the original plan. But then whenever you want to do business, you always come to know, if this is my side of education. Like me, I'm into much I want people to be financially free. I want them to be financially independent. So if I cannot give you money, even if I give you money, if you don't know how I get this money I give you, it means I'm doing you a disfavor. So I decided to say, okay, let me see what is working for me. And when I started this money making education, research, they make me grow more. So now you are into cooking, how to cook this, how to cook health food and that. That one is also, it can elevate you to somewhere. But the thing, you have to be consistent, like the way I've said. Now, under this consistency, I want to put some pro tip, a very big pro tip. Most people think views give money. Trust me, I want you to check your views. And I want you to check your estimated income. Sometimes it is alarming, sometimes it is shameful. I'm seeing people on Facebook, I'm seeing people on YouTube. You find someone having thousands of views but has no money. So this goes to now our side. We always teach you. And this is how we have been making money online. Because the niche we chose, it is always with CPM. CPM is high. If I find for 1,000 for 1,000 views, I'm getting $10. That is my good money. For 1,000 views, I'm getting $15. That is good money. So what we always try, by all means, this is how we have made money on YouTube. We make sure, whether they are shorts, whether they are posts, whether they are long-term videos, we bring in, we can have a good niche, but we study more. How do we make sure that our 10, 20, 30 people watch a half of that video? So we hook it in a good way. We try by all means. And we have also tried to use tools, the tools that optimize. We are not experts, but we are going there. So this is how we have been making money. And above all, what has made us consistently made money on YouTube, when I'm talking about making money on YouTube, I mean, irrespective of anything, every day we have to get money from YouTube. And this is what I said, I have to earn from YouTube on a daily basis. So I made sure that if my views are few, if my audience has not yet caught fire, you know, I always receive mails, we need to work for you because you're giving good content, but views are not coming up, you have very few. I know it. But what I do, I say, if irrespective of me having few views, do I get money out of it? And how do I improve? So we try to improve, and that's why we came up with saying, no, we'll be posting 2 videos in a day. So when I find one video have 100 views on the first day, then the second day 50, you find it is coming up. And also, before I finish, we have tried to make sure that we bring for you greener content. When we post greener content, it means every day the views keeps accumulating, and even the CPM and RPM still changes. So we have made sure that we earn money on YouTube. You can also earn money on YouTube with your skill, with your idea, with your education, with your zeal, and whatever you have that is holding in you. Even your face can make money. So let's go now and start making money on YouTube.